Explanation of UX430 machine parts. First, this is our display screen. The display screen has a cable that plugs into the back of our controller. This is the display screen power cable. Here we have a 2800 pulse encoder, and this is the encoder connector. This whole part is the controller. The upper section is the controller, and it can be separated. You can detach it if needed. The lower part here is the water tank. This is the water tank. This side is the indicator lights. LED indicator lights. When the machine is operating normally, this is how the lights look in printing status. In standby mode, this many lights are on. Here is the emergency stop switch, and here is the main power switch. We use a key for the main switch. This is the controller key, the key. The water tank, this whole part is the water tank. Right over here is our main fill button. This is the dedicated water fill button. And right over here is the external vent port. The figure 8 vent port, and this is the clamp port. To block the vent when we need to add water, we have to pull this out before filling. This right here is the main drain, and this is the specific drain port. Now at the back here, this is the encoder connector. This is the photoelectric plug. This is the interlock switch, interlock switch, interlock switch. These two tubes, one red and one green, are water pipes because of the water pipes. And this is the laser, the laser. And over here on this side, there is a photoelectric bracket, photoelectric bracket. That is the account computer. The optical fiber is fixed here, mostly using a photoelectric fixture, and the whole bracket here is called the laser machine bracket. There's another one. There's another bracket on this side of the stand, it's connected to the idle channel's idle screen bracket.